New message from Justice K. You passed me. New message from Justice K. I'm on the road. Turn left on Orange Street. New message from Justice K. Go back out to the four-way entrance.
All right, found each other. How you doing today? Good, good. 2 bags for you. There you go. And there you go. You have a good one. All right, thank you. I got CDA16.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, thank you. You have a good one now. Too young to be without food.
Cool, bye.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. See that? Oh, thank you, appreciate it. Oh yeah? Okay. Okay, yeah, when they was talking about the TikTok and stuff, right? Okay, yeah, good to see you.
Order for Ashley.
So how you doing today? Good? Okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
Drop off on the right.
How you doing? Jack in the Box? Jack in the Box? Oh, not 170? All right. Alrighty. There you go. All right, good to see you again. All right. Okay, get ready to do our thing. here. 2, 3, 4. That's 4 people.